Hey sisters, hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Today on this week's video, I am following a James Charles makeup tutorial. I know this trend was popular like a month ago, but I've been super busy and I never got around to it. Also, I finally got in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Anyway, he is super good at makeup. It was either between Nikki Tutorials or him, but I could not find one with Nikki. So we went with James. It was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy, and let's get on with the video.
It's so crazy, amazing, and you know it, you know I'm feeling it. Ooh, and you like it, cause you know I'm yours. You know exactly.
I keep trying to put the foundation on and it comes out streaky and not looking good. So I'm gonna try and change the primer. I was using the Primetime foundation primer by Bare Minerals and it's not working. Now we're going to use the e.l.f. tone adjusting primer. This is the primer I used on my friend, and with that foundation and it seemed to work. Here we go.
Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm looking very, very different right now. I don't have a baseball cap on. I got my freaking haircut.
I finally got the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know, I'm late. I'm sick right now, so that's why I sound like death.
For foundation today, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in the shade Y325. Once again, this is one of those products that is my holy grail in one shade, and there was no foundations in any of the packages that I received, so can't switch anything up. I'm so freaking excited because me and all the sisters are going with Makeup Forever tonight to a Kehlani concert here in Los Angeles, and I absolutely love.
Put this on because Sister James goes fast. I'm using the Maybelline New York 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Natural Ivory.
Alright, so I just went
it's gonna be really hard.
Concealer in the shade Light and then blended it out as usual with my damn beauty blender. And now the next step is always to set
his face. Yes, we know, James. I have Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Oh snap. Look how dark that is compared to the rest of my face. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to be using my cream concealer from Revlon in the shade 002 Light Pale. I look like an Indian tribe member, but that's okay, because we're going to blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out.
So for today, I am using a new setting powder, and this is the RCMA No Color Powder. You guys know that setting powder is a little bit of a touchy subject for me, so I'm actually super nervous to try a new one.
Yeah, I don't have that because I can't have all expensive makeup. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I know I use it a lot. I'm going to be putting this under my eyes. Actually, I have a pretty oily nose, so I'm going to put it. For the rest of the face, I'm going to use the Professional Loose Powder.
It's definitely doing a really good job of like mattifying and setting everything in place. As you can see, my nose definitely looks great because Lord knows that my nose loves to slip and slide around. I'm also going to place a little bit of this right in the center of my forehead just to set that area in place and make sure I don't get any creases because I do tend to crease up there a lot. And then lightly just dab some excess powder on the rest of my face. Lately, I actually have not been setting my entire face. I've been going for more of the like dewy skin and foundation look, and I've honestly been loving it.
I have the Ulta brushes, and that's basically all I have.
To start off with, I'm going to grab the T27 brush from the brush set and then dip into my Kat Von D Shade Light palette into this middle shade.
To contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Contour. And to bronze, I have the Hoola Benefit bronzer.
And I'm going to contour and chisel out my face. I'm then going to grab the T84 brush in that same shade from the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to contour out my nose. Oh my god, that actually laid out the color so...
Yeah, I'm terrible at nose contour. Now I'm going to be bronzing with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. He got a good forehead bronze, so we gotta bronze up her face like James does.
Nicely. My Luxie 182 brush is shaking. Oh my god, I actually really like this brush. Yes, T94, you better work. Before we move on to baking, I'm going to quickly grab my T17, also from the brush set, and dip into my MAC Peaches blush. wash the color on the cheekbone. I'm going to grab my beauty blender and dip right back into that RCMA no color powder, and I'm going to face my face, starting with my nose contour as always. Even though the powder is translucent, I'm really hoping that because it's white, it still will brighten up everything a little bit, and if it does, we're about to look so snatched and advanced, and I'm super excited to see how this rubs off. Alright, so while I was in the oven baking, I just quickly went ahead and did my brows off camera to save some time. Same exact process as always.
Okay, so I use natural lighting. That's why the lighting's like really bad right now.
Now that it's been a long periodically time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to wipe this bake off and see how this powder did. Okay, so I was definitely right. The fact that it is white definitely did leave a little bit of a highlighted look, but
So we're taking the powder off. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz to fill in my brows.
I already went ahead and primed my eyelids using my Shape Tape Concealer and then some more RCMA no color powder.
First, we're gonna prime the eyelids with the Shape Tape Concealer.
As usual, and now we're going to move on to the eyes, and this is what I'm so excited for, and that is the Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe!
Look how pretty this palette is.
So, I'm first going to start by grabbing the shade Creamsicle on my Makeup Shack T70 brush, and I'm just going to buff this right into the crease.
Whoa there.
Jaclyn, I see you, sister. I'm next going to grab the shade Hunt on my Makeup Shack T44 brush, and I'm going to buff this right into the crease because I'm going to be grab my T63 brush and dip into the shade Jax, and I'm going to put this.
That's a very tiny little brush. I don't have that. I look like Nemo.
Right in that crease for a little pop of red. Okay, I literally cannot get over how pigmented these shadows are. That was literally one dip into the pan and we got that. Like, hi, okay. I'm gonna dip back into Hunt with that T44 brush and just
Whoa, James, slow your roll.
T44 brush and just buff over those edges. I was not in.
He was not expecting all that pigment, neither was I. I'm kind of making a V. I don't know if that's what he's doing, but we're kind of gonna go my own way.
Anticipating that much pigmentation, so now we need to blend her out or else it's gonna get real messy real fast. Once all those three
It already got
are
messy
done,
real
dip back into
fast.
Creamsicle and just go over those edges to make sure they are super blended out and their transitions are all smooth. I really want to do a pop of blue on the eye, so with that same exact T63
Blue.
brush, I'm actually going to dip into the shade Royalty, which is a metallic purple shade in this palette. But I'm going to use this as kind of a transition shade between the metallic blue that's going to go on the lid and the cranberry color that I just put in the crease. And once it's all on there, I'm going to go back into the same brush in the shade Jack.
Okay, that's not bad when you rub basically all of it off.
Which is the red shade, and just bring back that cranberry color. I'm going to my T79 brush and dip into the shade Twerk, which is this metallic blue shade.
Oh Lord, James.
I'm so excited for this, and I'm going to pop her right onto the lid. Oh my god, my brush literally is not even wet either. Miss Hill, suddenly my wig just got ripped off and flew all the way from Los Angeles to wherever you are in Florida. These are so good! I know everybody's going to say I'm sucking up to Morphe because I always do, but honestly, these shadows are like so good.
That's so
I genuinely
pretty.
would not expect
I would never wear this on the daily, but like look at that. So my camera ran out of storage as usual.
anything less than perfect from Jaclyn, and so far that is exactly what I'm seeing. I'm gonna go back in with Twerk now, and I'm gonna spritz my brush using the all-nighter, and I'm just gonna pop her right onto the lid. I'm just gonna lay this on top again and see how like actual metallic we can get it. Oh my god, these are literally beautiful. Okay, I think I want to turn this into a little bit of a halo eye situation, so I'm gonna grab the same exact brush,
This is so hard.
dip into the slightest bit of Pool Party. Once again, gonna spritz that brush.
Oh, that's a pretty color. Okay, I don't have a problem with that. It's this shade right here.
I'm just gonna layer that right on the center of the lid and see how that looks too. I'm literally in love with how this looks so far, so I guess we're going to move on to the lower lash line now.
No, we're not. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. This changes the game.
So I'm going to start off using the exact same shade of Twerk on the same T79 brush, and I'm going to buff this into the inner and outer corners of my lower lash line, and then going to grab a double
pool party. We like this color.
Brush one last time and dip into Jack's, and I'm just going to blend up.
Basically, all my brushes are Ulta, e.l.f., or like CoverGirl.
I got my Sigma E30 brush and dip into the shade Beam, which is this beautiful bright ass highlighting shade, and I'm going to pop that right in there. Oh wow. Before I move on to the lashes, I just grab my MAC Reflex Teal because I...
Hold on, James.
The center of the lid to really pop. So I'm just going to grab my T79 brush one last time, dip into just the slightest little bit of it, and I'm going to spritz my brush, and then I'm just going to pop her on. That is the eyeshadow all complete. For lashes, I'm going to pop on the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai.
So I'm back from like an hour later. That was my first time ever putting lashes on myself, and I got the lash glue in my eye. I don't know how bad that is. Wash immediately with lukewarm water. Yeah, I didn't do that. I just like tried to get it out as quickly as possible, but I'm probably gonna do that as soon as this video ends.
And then of course I'm gonna use my Roller Lash mascara just to blend together the
I already put mascara on.
Alright sisters, that is when I all complete. I'm honestly loving this look so much. Guys, I am back with both eyes all complete.
Me
I wiped
too,
off the
James.
crusty foundation on my lips, brushed my teeth to get ready to go for tonight's event, and now let's move on with the glow. For highlighters today, we're using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter.
Good, we're highlighting.
I am so freaking excited because I've heard so
I'm gonna
many
use the
great
Becca
things about these.
highlighter.
They're literally sold out everywhere. I've looked at them so many times.
And the
so many
Sephora
different times. I'm sure a few weeks
Blinded
ago,
by the
so
Light
I'm
eyeliner.
but
Okay, so I have the lip shade on right now. Yes, it's very dark. I am sorry.
Aquarius, just to give the gloss something to like stick to and like over top of. And I'm gonna reapply the shade PCH. I love how this looks. Oh my god. For shits and giggles, I think
His
over
is
top
way
of
lighter than
the
mine.
Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper, just for some extra glow, some glam, some shine. Why not? Lastly, to finish off this look, I'm just going to drench my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, and this is the completed full face.
So I'm going in with the color Back Talk by Liquid Vice Urban Decay.
So I definitely am going to give this another shot and see if it's just...
I'm gonna add some lip gloss, like some random lip gloss. Okay, so we're gonna stop it there. I hope you enjoyed that video. I am super proud of myself for pulling this through. I did not think I could have done it. Don't forget to hashtag slay and stay cool. Bye, beautifuls.